So today we are going to start our maths second, fundamental concepts and operations. This is our first chapter of maths second. We are going to discuss in this chapter. We'll discuss about variables, how to deal with variables. So first of all, let's understand a few important things. Here it is given constant and variables. We know what are the constants. Constants are those whose value is fixed, like 1, 2, 3, minus 1, 2, minus 2, minus 3, integers or rational numbers, like this 2 by 7, minus 12, pi, root 8. So these are constants, and variables x, y, z. Here we do not know the values of x, y, z. So these are variables. And second is algebraic expressions. So what is the algebraic expressions? Where a combination of constant and variables connected by the signs plus, minus, into, division. So these are algebraic expressions like 18 minus 4x plus 9y plus 8xy plus 12x square y. So in this expression we have constant as well as variables with the signs like minus, plus. Okay. And what are polynomial? A polynomial is an algebraic expression in which the variables have non-negative integral exponents only. So this line, just focus on this line. The variables have non-negative integral exponents only. Means just take this equation: 20 plus 4x, 3x square. 3x square, this is exponent, okay, and this is positive. No, it is not negative. It should not, it always be positive. If it must be a polynomial, then it should always be positive exponent. If I write 3x power minus 2, so this is not a polynomial because power is negative, and also power should be a whole number, not a fraction. If it is like this is also not a polynomial. Okay, of 3, 12 plus 3x power minus 2 plus x cube. So it is minus 2. So it is also not a polynomial because power is negative. And fourth is 8x cube minus 3x 5 by 2. So here power is in fraction, so it is also not a polynomial. Fourth, a monomial is a polynomial of one term. Mono means one. Just remember this thing. Mono means one. Monomial means having one term. This is one term and this is also a single term. Okay. Binomial, where expression having two terms like a plus b, these are two terms. 3x square minus 5xy, this is also two terms. Trinomial, where the three terms are available here and here, three terms. And algebraic expressions containing more than three terms is called a polynomial. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, here are more than three terms, so these are polynomials. Degree of a polynomial in one variable. So and the polynomial is in one variable, then the highest power of the variable is called a degree of the polynomial. Just notice in these equations, in first equation 9x minus 9, 19. So here only one variable x is available and its highest power is 1. And in the second, 3x square minus 5x plus 2. So here only variable is x and the highest power is x is 2. So its degree is 2. And here the variable is y and its highest power is 4. So degree is 4. Degree of a polynomial in two or more variables. In the case of polynomials in two or more than two variables, the sum of the powers of the variables in each term is found and the highest sum so obtained is called the degree of the polynomial. So here we have to, here is power is x, power of x is 2, here power of x is 2, z is 2. So add these two powers, 2 plus 2, 4. Here is 3, here is 3. So, so degree is 4. In this way, we'll get here 2 plus 1, 3, 4. Here, power of x is 3, power of y is 4, 4 plus 3, 7. So degree is 7. Polynomials where degree of a polynomial is 1. Like in this equation, 4x plus 2. So power of x is 1. So the degree of this polynomial is 1. So this is a linear polynomial. And what is a quadratic polynomial? When the highest power of when the degree of the polynomial is 2, it is known as a quadratic. So 4a square minus 3a plus 5. So the degree of this polynomial is 2. So it is quadratic. And here in cubic polynomial, degree is 3. Variable is y here, and the highest power is 3. So degree is 3. So it is a cubic polynomial. How to find out the coefficient of any terms? Suppose this is our term 8x square y square. So there are two coefficients, numerical coefficient and algebraic or literal coefficients. So 8 is numerical coefficient and x square y square are the literal coefficients. And here like terms, how to identify like and unlike terms. Here 5a square b 7b a square minus 10a square b. If you notice, the power of a and b are same in both in all these three terms. So these are like terms. But here ab square ba square. Here the degree of each term is different. Uh, the, here ab square, here ab square, here ba square. So the power of each variable is different. So it is unlike terms. And the 11th, the term of a polynomial are said to be ascending or descending order if they increase or decrease in degrees respectively. We know that what are the degrees. So here, if we see the degrees of b, it is b cube, b square, b. So degree of the b is decreasing. So it is a descending order. And here, degree of a is increasing. A square, a cube. So it is ascending order. So in these are few important things which you have to know before solving this exercise. We have to find out which are polynomials and which are not polynomials. So in first question number first, 1 by 2 x square minus 6x minus 1 by 7 plus x cube. So here we know the conditions for being a polynomial. Here variable is x and the degree of and the powers are 2, 1, 3. So it is a polynomial. It is a polynomial. Okay. And the second is 10p square plus 7 by p minus 2. And here power is variable is p, but here the power is 2, and here p is in fraction. So the power of p is negative here. So it is not a polynomial. And the third question is 5z cube plus 5z cube minus root 7 z square plus 11. Here variable is z and power of z is 3 and 2, which is a whole number. So it is a polynomial. And fourth is 5x minus 8x square upon 1 plus x. Here it is not a polynomial. Why? Because here x is on fraction, so it is not a polynomial. Number 5 is root 3 x की power 1 by 2 plus 5x square minus 9x square plus 7. So here, just take a look here in this expression. Here, the power of x is a fraction, 1 by 2. Power is in fraction. Here is power 2, here is power 2, but here this is. So this is not a polynomial. And 6 x square plus 1 upon x square. This is also not a polynomial. Why? Because here power is in negative. If we solve this, it will become like this, x power minus 2. So this is also not a polynomial. 7. 7 is a polynomial. Okay. And 8 is 45. Why we can write this expression in this way: 45 variable power, the exponent of variable is 0, so it is a 45. So we can say that this is also a polynomial. And here x by 2 plus 5, the exponent of x is a integral part, positive integral part, so it is also a polynomial. It is also a polynomial. And question number 10, 7x minus 2 plus x की power minus 1 plus 8. So here in this expression, power of x is minus 2, here power of x is minus 1. So both are negative, minus. Okay, the powers are in negative. So this is also not a polynomial. So in this way we have to do this, identify polynomials and what are not a polynomial. Monomial, binomial, trinomial or polynomial, to classify each polynomial and also state their degree. Okay, just listen to me very carefully. Okay, I'm going to explain each and everything over here. So first question is 5x. Here in this question, uh, variable is x. Okay, so it is a first of all, it is a monomial because we have only one term and the degree of x is 1. So here second question, 17 x cube y square z. So this is also a monomial and the degree of this term 3 plus 2 plus 1 6. Okay, so add all these exponents, you will get the degree of this term. And third, minus 11 minus 7x. So here are two terms and the variable is x. So the degree of this term is 1. And here x square plus 3x plus 7. Here we have three terms. So it is a trinomial. It is a binomial. Okay, it is a trinomial with degree 2 because highest power of x is 2. And in fifth, it is also a binomial with degree 3. And this is, here we have four terms, 1 2 3 4, more than 3 terms. So it is a polynomial with degree 4. Okay, highest power of m is 4. Seventh, it is a trinomial with degree 4. And eighth, it is also a polynomial because we have more than 3 terms, 1 2 3 4 5. We have 5 terms with variable p. So degree is 6. So it is a polynomial with degree 6. 4x square y square minus 7x y cube plus 2x y की power 4 minus minus 3 y की power 4 plus x cube y. So this is our polynomial. Okay, and we have to arrange this polynomial in the descending degree in x. Descending degree in x. So the highest power of x is 4. This term will come first. 2x4. After this, x cube. This term plus x cube plus x cube y, then x square plus 4x square y square, and then this one minus 7x y cube, and then this one minus 3 y to the power 4. So in this way we have to arrange this polynomial in descending degree of x. Question number 4. Give the degree of each of the following polynomials. We know how to find the degrees in first term. Here in first term 5x cube plus 6x square minus 3x plus 20. So the degree of x is 3. Okay, and here the degree is 1. But here we have two variables x and y. So here the degree 3 plus 2 5. In this term the degree will be 5, and here the degree of x is 0 minus 23. How to find the degree of this term? We can write this term like x to the power 0. The value of this term is 1. Okay, so the degree of this term is degree is 0. Okay, write down the numerical as well as literal coefficients of the following monomials. So first write over here term numerical coefficient and literal coefficient. It is numerical coefficient, and here is literal coefficient. So our first term is 2 pi r. And so this pi is a constant. Okay, it has a fixed value. So 2 pi is a numerical coefficient, 2 pi, and r is literal coefficient because value of r is not fixed. 6 x square y square. Here numerical coefficient is 6 and literals are x square and y square. In the same way, 5 a b square, and numerical coefficient is minus 5 and literal is a b square. And the last one is 4 by 3 abc. So 4 by 3 is numerical coefficient and a b c, these are our literal coefficients. So in this way we have to write the coefficients. So we have completed exercise 12.